Put a sock on your broom and discover a brilliant trick that will save you time and money. All you need is a regular broom and a sock that fits over its head. Now grab your favorite fabric softener. It has a surprising use. Pour a little onto the sock and spread it evenly on both sides. This simple hack will turn your broom into a powerful cleaning tool. Run it over your carpet, and you'll see how effectively it picks up dust, pet hair, and other small debris. Your carpet will be cleaner, fresher, and won't require expensive cleaning. The sock also works great on walls, as its soft texture easily removes dust and cobwebs from hard-to-reach places. A broom with a fabric softener sock is also perfect for mopping floors, especially in tight corners. Plus, fabric softener has anti-static properties, so dust settles more slowly. This method is simple, effective, and budget-friendly. No need for costly carpet cleaning, expensive detergents, or new accessories. Just a sock, a broom, and a little fabric softener.